Bhí an bhí critin orig nar a chlí Peile Allianz Sraith Allianz. Tréis dómh Kirky a chlí an aireachta Curlin a 10 bánt sa bhíon a Górsan. Na tréis 3 bánt sa bhíon Ardfacha an aireachta Colm O'Rourke an bhí a Spraga. Bhí Gary McDonagh agus David McCaig a bar Talson den ceann seo.
Downey isteach a balla le Keenan. Spás crothí ag an ó Henderson go hálan ó Kieran Keenan. Swiera tá seans a go bin seo beidir rud a cinsa crothúm an Lero Sábalte ag a chusan sin. Grimes a fáil in Lero Darash a Grimes. Sábalte, Grimes in east. Tardy Lewis will Neil kick him off by Alger Lomshall Shen Peile Allianz. Connor throws Bost O'Hain. Cian sin a will come dull Harran Trosnog. Grimes leis an basa seach as he burns. Should that Burns. Agus Tom Cian sin showta Harran Trosnog ag Brian Burns. Another ball ag Griesa le Cúis de Bro Costello. Sin pass close to Ishtach. Chancing Walsh. Agus Walsh Harran Trosnog. Mahan Ishkazi Hickey. Hodeshege and Via Corfin Keen. Keen to Brain. Queen to 1 point take a second of it. If Bantin Yummer Casabel, Fosek Brain. Agus and Ishkasha Harran Trosnog. Costello, Lewis can score. Oh, Costello. Fosek Costello, show Roher de Cretzia. Fosek Costello. Oh, shit, cool, de Cretzia. Oh, Matthew Costello. Agus will score Ella Taft. Oh, Oracher, the cool Fonta and Shin, and Tom Jackson. Will dash out the fallen shot. Mulroy, Ishaq, and Droll Carroll, Sábalte, Colin a gun. Tasha Fonta, Egg and Meath. Kiaftishnay, Tasha Glonta Aku, Agus Tasha Grutze, and Kunda the Meath.
Our aim was to, we have to put a collective 70-minute performance together. We knew we could do it, probably coming out in the second half. Then they got the first score and it threw it up a bit in the air, so that wasn't according to plan. But to be fair to the lads, true and true, they all just settled into it, did the right thing, made the right decisions, and it made it a hell of a lot easier in the second half. The crucial one for us, we knew the first 2 games didn't go our way, so this is a big one to make sure we put it right, get 2 more points back on the board, and drop to 3. Now you can push on, and we've Kildare coming next week, so it's all a look ahead towards that now.